A Canadian businessman has said the upcoming China International Import Expo is a window of opportunity, providing insights into Chinese consumers.
Avalon has attended the CIIE for 2 years. We had great experiences. Just loved the city of Shanghai, the people. The CIIE is a window of opportunity for us, so we're very much looking forward to getting back to Shanghai. It's a window into the Chinese opportunity because it introduces us to every level of supply chain. It introduces us to consumers, and we had a lineup of about 100 yards long, filled with people wanting to come to the booth and try all our milk, try all our yogurt, and try all our ice cream. So we got immediate feedback from people at the same time around our packaging, around our product quality, the taste profile. Not every taste profile is the same, so it really helped us understand who our consumer was. So we were able to get very good insight into Chinese consumer, the methods of distribution, and that really helped us to understand what the opportunity was.
Rima also acknowledged the organization of the CIIE, saying the expertise helps them to explore the opportunities and make them a reality.
Certainly that the level of expertise exists with the CIIE. We also know that the level of organization is going to be superb. We know that the amount of people we can expect to have thousands of visitors. So we're prepared for that. We're prepared with all of the samples. All of those levels of expertise are available at the CIIE to benefit us and to help us to explore the opportunities and make it a reality.